Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. This will be my first fragrance unboxing. If you want to see any more, just let me know and click the like button. So this is the box that it comes in. It's a 50ml Eau de Parfum concentration. Here you go, that's the front. There's nothing on the side. There's the ingredients on the back if you want to have a look. It says Tom Ford at the top, and then on the bottom you have your barcode. And if you can see a little bit, you'll see the batch code right there, if you just focus on it. Anyways, let's pop into this. This is my first Tom Ford private blend, so I've never opened these or gone through the unboxing experience, but I'm trying to be as civilized as I can. Oops. There we go. Yeah, this is tough to unpack. Alright, you know what? Okay, this is what the box actually looks like without the wrapper. The gold is actually quite shiny if you look at it in the light. Ooh, that is nice. Alright, I'm very excited. This is the big unveil. The way you open these is you just lift this up and your bottle should be inside. There we go, the Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. This is how it comes, and then you just, there we go. That's how the bottle looks, Tobacco Vanille. That's the sides, the top, obviously you've got the Tom Ford logo, quite shiny, then you got, yeah, that's good. Clap, very nice. Atomizer is around the back, let's put that to the front. Cap snugly fits in. I wouldn't say it clicks in, but it snugly fits. So yeah, that is how Tobacco Vanille comes. I'll do a first impression of this right now, spray it on the back of my hand and see how it smells. Okay, I'm very nervous about how this is going to smell. There you go, that's the atomizer. Make sure I'm aiming this right. Okay, there we go. Oh yes. First impressions. Oh yeah, it smells so good. It smells a bit like Christmas chocolate dessert. It reminds me of a chocolate brownie, but that's been like infused with like very strong like dark chocolate with like vanilla ice cream on it. I don't get much of the tobacco, but this smells gorgeous. I would definitely recommend it. If you want to see any other fragrances unboxed, I've got quite a few. Let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you with another video. Peace.